So let us see it in the program part. Okay, so any text editor if you are using means first, as I mentioned, just check whether that particular library has been installed or not. So simply we can run import numpy and we can check. Okay, let me just run and show it to you. Simply give import numpy and run that particular line. Okay, without any error, it is getting successful means that that library has been already installed. If that not available means, then you have to use this particular line pip install numpy. Okay, you just have to give pip install numpy or any package which you are going to install. Then just run this particular line. We have already know that it has been installed, so it is returning requirement already satisfied. Okay, and it will ask you to restart. Since it is already there, you don't need to restart. If you have installed it for the first time, you can just click on the restart and you can restart your program. Okay, we don't need to run this line again and again, so I'm just commenting this particular line. Okay, I don't need this also, just removing it. Okay, so here numpy as np. Okay, I'm giving an alias name to it. Here, if you see means I have given np dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore I have given. So by using this, I will know which version of NumPy I'm using currently. Again, this output may change for you. Okay, if you are using a older version of NumPy or if you are using an updated version of NumPy, the version may change accordingly. Okay, and that is not a big issue. Okay, then here you can able to see here every cell I have given the numpy as np import method and all. It is not necessary that every line you have to give, but if you are planning to run directly, then in that case you should know, should have already imported the library, then only it is possible. Okay, so let me run each and every cell and show it to you. So here we have created a single dimension array and I'm just printing that value in the print statement. Similarly, here I am having the two dimension array and I'm getting the output in the same format. Then if you want to generate, okay, you want to create a new array means you can give a range. If I've given 12, right, and I mentioned you right, we can able to use the reshape method also. So here I have used the reshape method. See, without using reshape method, if I run this particular line, okay, I will get output in this format. Okay, 0 to 11 it will print. And if I use line space, 1 comma 5 comma 6, so it is giving 1 to 5, 6 numbers it is giving. Instead I'm saying I don't want 6 numbers, I want 8 number, I want 10 number, anything if you are giving means accordingly it will split, the point value will start increasing. Okay, too much point value you will get, so I don't want that much point value. So I'm just changing back to the same and I'm printing it. If you want to reshape it when you're creating itself means simply you just have to give the dot reshape and what format you want. I'm saying 4 columns and 3 rows I want. So if I print that means accordingly it will be printed. Okay, if you are giving different value means you will get the different output here. Then comes the array property. Okay, in the array property ndim. Okay, instead of a if I'm using b ndim if I'm using means it is 2 dimension, right? For a it is going to be 1 dimension. Similarly, item size for a item size here it is 4 and the data type of that particular is int 32. Okay, and we are getting 32 4 and the shape of b is 2 comma 4. We know, right? We are having 2 rows and 4 columns. So that is why we are getting output like that. Then reshaping. So separately also we can reshape our array and we can execute our program. Then slicing. So if you are just giving 0 comma 2 means it will slice like a normal array. if you are mentioning like 0 colon, okay, let me just run and show it to you. So this is normal output. So as I have explained you, if I give 2 colon and I'm running means I will get 9296. If I'm giving only 0 and 2 colon means I will get 92. So how much you are changing accordingly, it will return different values. Then we are having array value operation. So we can perform minimum, maximum, sum of the array. So then we are having the arithmetic operator. So in this arithmetic operator, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is there. Along with that, you can also give, the power of exponent. You can give the floor division, everything you can give it and check. Okay, you will get the output here. So in the normal division, you will get the point values. So if you feel like you don't want the point value, then you can go for the floor division as well. So here, based on the axis, we are trying to perform the sum operation, whether you want it in row wise or you want it in the column wise for 2 dimension. Okay, we are doing for 2 dimension. Then we are performing some advanced operations like, square root of an array, standard deviation, exponent, log 10. So everything we are trying to do it here. Then stacking method. So as we have seen in the example, we have taken two array and we are performing vertical stack and horizontal stack. And if you want to convert a 2 dimension array into a single dimension means, then we can use this Ravel method.